These chocolate chips I absolutely love. They don't always have them in store, but they do have them for shipping. So I'll order those online and have them shipped to me, and it's free. So if you've ever even considered signing up, now is the time to do it. You get the $50 in Target Circle rewards added to your account. And I'm telling you, I use this more than I ever thought I would. It's one of the best things I've signed up for. I'll put a link here to sign up if you're interested. If you do, let me know what you think, but I'm telling you, you will not regret signing up. You guys, I honestly don't know what my family would do without the Target Circle 360 program. I use the same day delivery so often. I am a busy mom running around. I'm constantly waiting till the last minute on things. So specifically birthday gifts for birthday parties and things like that, that same day delivery is clutch. I also love to grocery shop at Target, and a lot of times I don't have time to go to the store, so I'll order it online. Their prices are so good, and there's like specific things, for example, these little... Okay, if you guys have been following me for any amount of time or have just seen some of my videos, you know I'm a huge Park fan. I'm constantly wearing their sweats. They are my favorite. That's what got me into the brand, but the denim is what's keeping me. These jeans popped up on my feed the other day, and I gasped. They are literally so adorable. This is like, I believe it's either a suede or a faux suede. I'm not sure, you'll have to check. They do run true to size. I love that they're like not super high-waisted. I would say they're like a mid-rise. This is such a cute detail. I bought a pair of her jeans when she did the Stony Clover collab. Fell in love with them. I've been wearing them nonstop. The jeans just have such a great fit. I now want to go buy the olive pair because I keep seeing those everywhere.